Sometimes jobs go from bad to worse. Boom. We are up in a little town called Lake George. I could probably get in trouble for that. This was 79 cents. We are up in a little town called Lake George. Really beautiful. I washed the John Deere 317 at the car wash. There might have been a little dirt in there. This is our newer equipment trailer. 14,000 or 7,000 pound heavy duty Dexter axles. I'm pretty stoked about that. It did really good and the truck did good pulling it. Let me show you this job. Pretty simple job. Beautiful scenery. See if a mountain lion jumps out and gets me while I'm here. No! Basically, you can see this yellow rope. That's the driveway, maybe a little thinner. So like from this one to this one. It's gonna come right through here over this culvert. And then there will be a parking pad for like an RV. Just, I think it's 24 by 22. He doesn't really want anything pulled out. He just wants us to build it right over the top. I may try to scrape some of the vegetation out. And if some of these roots pop up, I'll pop them up. Anyway, that's the job. So I'm gonna put you guys on time lapse and let you watch. So now it's time to start taking down some trees here at the entrance. That culvert we're gonna put in is 20 feet wide. So that's how wide the entrance needs to be. And then we can kind of reduce down to 16 feet, which won't be much change from outside to there because it's such a short distance. Let's go ahead and use this handy dandy tape measure. Check this thing out. Harbor Freight, not 25 feet, not 50 feet, 33 feet. I think it's just 79 cents. Can't beat that. And it works too. Huh. All right, let's get this measured out. Ever feel like you brought maybe the wrong machine for the job? I think we can get this done, but we've got to go from where that permit tube is, take these two big aspens out to there, or from there, take out these and also this bunch here. Otherwise the culvert's just gonna pour right into the trees and that doesn't make any sense. We'll just start throwing them that way. They're all leaning this way and the wind is blowing this way, but I think if I get the bucket high enough, they'll just go over. Not too worried about it. We've done some more extreme things than this, so I think we'll be all right. All right, let's get knocking these down. Well, that was fun. Not really. Look at this. This is that stump I kept trying to get out. The problem is it goes under the roadbed. I don't want to compromise the county roadbed any more than I have, because I could probably get in trouble for that. Sorry. I'm just gonna come in here tomorrow because I'm bringing a chainsaw. I'm gonna cut these in smaller pieces and stack them over there where the customer wants. But I'll probably just cut that, pack in that bank, take this tree out and put that culvert in here, up through here, and then we'll come right over the top of it. And we got a few more trees to lay down for about an hour and a half of work. I moved this pile, we got the trees down, and just kind of got started on the job. You know, sometimes that can take a minute just to get your bearings. I had to check the plans and see what all we were gonna do. Anyway, I bring in my son tomorrow. So I got a worker. All right, we'll see you guys in the morning.
The next day.
guys, sometimes jobs go from bad to worse. So look at this track. Split her in half. Got a set of new ones. Gonna put them on and then we can get back to regularly scheduled programming. Holy moly, that was no fun at all, but got it on. I guess you can do a track by yourself with no other machine. Your son, who's very good at operating. Good job, buddy. I gotta get this road bait off of this public road. I may wait to put that track on. I may just put this stuff to the side, let my guys deal with it on Monday because I'm not here. But hey, at least I did one track for them. They can't be that mad. And I did by myself. All right, let's get to work.